Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and then they sent me a video, and I watched it, learn how to do it. But I can tell right now by they're just saying it's not working out. Well, look right up here, it's not square. So something's off, and if you look in the center, it's just off. So I watched the video. I'm going to take a square. I'm going to get the shape tool. I'm going to select all these, but I'm going to shift select that one and then bring that in. I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate, and while getting the two-sided arrow, do that. Whoop. Go the other way. I didn't make Control D. But then I need to move this one to the center, to that node. And I think this is where he went wrong. He mirrored it. Well, I didn't hold down the control button. And he went too far with this. You're going to grab that node right there and have it snap to that node. And then I would check it. And look, we're square. Control D to duplicate it and rotate it 45 degrees. And if you'll notice how the center of mine is square. Now with a little luck, we'll cut these lines out. It's kind of interesting pattern. Then, if you will start from the tip, and if you hold down the Alt key and come in from the tip, it's kind of confusing which line, but if you go to the tip and then go in one line, so I'm going to that tip, going to that tip, that's all you have to do. Now, I'm going to weld these together, but still we're going to have a problem because now I'm going to make it thick. And if you look right here, our lines don't meet. But because we're welded together, we can just, I'll select all the nodes and see those double nodes. Go to Windows, Dockers, and Join Curves. And I've got mine set on 0.1, which is plenty. And there you go. Now, go up to Object and convert the outline to an object if you like. You know, you could do several things with this. You could see that it's all welded together. Everything's perfect. You could make them yellow, take away the outline, and do just like I did in the other part. Anyway, I hope that helped him. Just when you're doing things like that, it's got to match. You know, and really and truly, if these are, yeah, he's still got them grouped together. I think what he did wrong is well, I've already got it. This is where it was off, right there. That's not even, you know, that's 16.6 and a half against 5. So it's off that much already before you duplicated it. So just be a little more careful on that. That's a pretty cool design. I hope that helped him a little bit, somebody in the future. Thank you for watching.